Now these are the projects which you have already taken: bank management, railway management, school, all the projects you individually you are doing it. Now synopsis: in term 1 you will use binary file and CSV file. Here term 2 connectivity we will do it. So before this term 1 exam you have to complete this synopsis portion. How to write the synopsis: suppose your topic is school management system, or any topic if you take bank management system. So your project synopsis will have that this following data. First is your title, topic, project name of your project. You all know last year also you have designed in the form of a project file. So like this you can design in the form of a project file. So your cover page was containing all this, that is your project name submitted by class, subject code you have to mention here. So subject code also you write here, code of your subject. Like CS it is 083, for IP it will be 065. So whatever is your subject code for physics, chemistry, same format you can ask your teachers. Like normally we are using this format only. So exam, which exam you are going to give this year? AISSCE 2021-22. This exam you are going to give. Clear? So this you have to mention. You can write the full form also: All India Senior Secondary Certificate Examination by CBSC. You can write and mention here CBSC. Now school name you will write, submit it to your teacher name you have to write. Acknowledgement, last year you have done that for your project for while designing, who's from where you have collected the data, or suppose your seniors or somebody, some of your friends, your teacher, whosoever has helped you designing from, and how you got the idea of designing this project, all those things. So acknowledgement. Preface is your similar to your case study, like about your project you will write that your project contains Python coding because of these advantages, binary file, CSV file. Content of your file: so this content already you have seen here. This cover page will be there, your declaration will be there, certificate will be there. Declaration means you have designed the project, you haven't copied it from somewhere, or somebody else has not designed for you, that declaration. And certificate also, you know, internal, CBSE external, and in charge principal or principal sir will sign. Now this is your content or index, in which all the topics which are there that you will mention. Acknowledgement will be there, preface will be there. Then after that you will have your description. So this working description. Now introduction of your project, case study. Now case study, most of the students are making it pictorial, that is using paint. Last class also you have done that, using paint you can design the complete case study. So that I will show you in AIL also, last year also you have done. So you can use paint or any 3D or any pictures you can use and design your case study. Then flowchart also, many students are showing the flowchart and algorithm, that also you can add in it. So declaration and certificate already I have shown you. Working description, how it is functioning. So here you can see the project contains these all functions. Using def you will write all the functions which your project contains. This I am not discussing because this project contains all these functions, sales, managing, all these functions. But your project will contain whatever functions that you have to write. Next, hardware and software. So whatever your hardware, your software, Android you if you are using as operating system, Windows if you are using which version, 10, 8, 7, ideally which version, Anaconda which version, Pydroid which all version, or many students are using Colab, online in compiler, so that you have to mention here. After that, MySQL also you will use. So MySQL which version, what is the username and password. Like most students are giving root as username, and password they are giving their own. Now from where you have collected the datas. Now some hypothesis means some imagination that it in future it is possibly you can extend this. So these are some hypothesis, or your creativity means you are imagining that in future you can do all these things. Clear? Next is your work plan, how you have planned and from where you collect. Like summer vacation, you were collecting the data. So this is your work plan. Then you started with binary file, then or menu driven, then binary file, then CSV file. So complete work plan you will show. Understanding, you will explain it how to do it. Then user friendly, menu driven, this already you have, you know it. It is menu driven, 1 2 3 4, even sub menus will be there. So user has to click the menu and do it and get it work done. Demand in real world, so whichever topic you have taken, or what is the demand of your software, of your project in real world. Like railway software is already there, so what is special in your project which in real world is in demand nowadays. Content of syllabus use, so in 11th class all content you have to use: list, dictionary, iterative or conditional statements. Menu driven you are making using while, then all the functions you are using. In 12th class what you have to use: binary, CSV. So all the syllabus, in syllabus whatever you have studied, that you will mention here, that which all content from syllabus you have used. Future of your project, in future your project will be used by which all domains, how you can, how that project can be extended or be useful. So that you have to mention. Analysis, calculation, whatever you have done in your project. Creativity, project report, conclusion, that is the final conclusion part. Then your complete program coding will be there. Now many students are using pictorial, means using colors or pictures for all these points. Already I have shown you previously. Now also again I will try to show you if I get, like here you can see some points are used to show using pictures. Like contents, you can see this is your content, this is your case study. Clear? Then about the security, so how your software will be secured, any transaction, monetary transaction when we are doing it. So like this you can use pictures, and symbolically you can use AIL, art integrated learning, and you can explain your points. Clear? So these till the end you can see here. At the end also the bibliography is also like this. So like this you can do it. So these are all the points. So whichever point, suppose you are making bank management system. Now bank management system, same points are there. So point numbers I have to change here, 29, 30. Means I can see here like approximately 30 to 35 points already I have mentioned here. You can add or delete any points you want. It is not that whatever I have shared with you, the same thing you have to do. This is your book, your research work. So 33 points I am sharing with you today. You can add any point if you want. If you want to delete any point from here, that you can delete it. Clear? So many points students are adding, like here in hardware and software separate they have made. Software specification, detail about MySQL they have written, why they have used MySQL and Python. So like that you make this synopsis. It is clear to all of you.